Oh my god, I'm Christmas tree shopping, guys. I can't wait to do my tree. Hey y'all, it's the Luxury Club and I'm back with another video. And today, oh my god, we are shopping for our Christmas tree. And we just wanted to take you on the journey. So I have Nedley here, since you guys always love her.
Hey everybody,
Period. So she had to be here today. Right now we are at the Christmas Palace and we are looking for, well, we actually selected our Christmas tree.
But we're not gonna show you the tree out yet.
Yes. First off, let's show you the different trees that were the options. This is Christmas tree number 1. Whoop, 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 whoop.
So number 2 was option number 2.
This is option number 2.
And option number 3.
Option number 3. Option number 4. Guys, let's just say that we're so excited. Like, we love the Christmas spirit. We love the Christmas holiday. It's gonna be great. We're gonna do gift exchanges and different stuff. Look at these reindeers. You're so cute. Oh, let's go visit Santa. So they're going around looking for my pieces. There he goes right there. He's the one working on my Christmas tree. As you can see, he's collecting things and putting. They've been working hard. Oh my god, we have like 5 baskets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, this is the ribbon section. Oh my gosh. This is so cute. I feel like we're missing like a 24 karat gold. Or like a silver. Oh, I have bad news, you guys.
They can't find our tree.
They can't find our tree.
It shows in the system, but they just don't know where it is.
Like, how do you not know where my tree is? And out of all trees, why my tree? Give me my tree. Give my tree. Oh my gosh, this is how much we're at right now for ornaments. Oh Lord.
So you guys, we got all of our stuff. So y'all, look at our bags.
Christmas is ready in our house.
Christmas is here.
So I just wanted to kind of give you guys a look of where we are purchasing our products today. It is called the Christmas Palace. There it is. Okay. They have everything from the Christmas trees to everything you need. So these are all of our items. We're gonna have to request a lift. I know Ned has some of the stuff right here. Oh my gosh, she's so silly. And then we have our reindeers in here. My trunk is already full, so we're gonna have to Uber these to go. Yes. So this boy had to get an Uber luxury XL whatever to Uber our stuff because the car is full and cannot take any more stuff. So now this boy has to Uber all this stuff to the house. I don't know, for me it doesn't seem like it's a lot, but it really is. Like, it really is. So now this guy's backing up so we can put our stuff in the car. So guys, we're finally here at home and we're putting the tree together. All right, it has A, B, C, and D. It's a 9-foot tree, so we're gonna see how that's gonna fit.
Let snow. Let it. Let it. Let it snow. Let it. Let it. Let it snow. Let it. Let it.
I definitely need to add more droplets. But it looks so good right now. Alright, you guys, this is the final product of our Christmas tree. And I added some reindeers at the bottom. It looks so pretty. I'm so in love with my tree. Like, yo, it's a little reindeers for me. Oh, okay, guys, should I start a tree decorating business? Because at this point, I did it.
Oh my God.
You always wanted one? Oh my God. Oh my God. Yes, I wanted it so bad. Merry Christmas. And there you guys have it. This was the process of me doing my Christmas tree. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys are new to this channel, please subscribe to this channel. This is going to help me with my algorithm for my YouTube. Also, make sure you guys like and comment down below. What do y'all think, and what color should I do next year? What color should I do this tree next year? Because this year it was gold and champagne and silver. I don't know what color to do next year. Make sure you guys comment down below. What color should I do, okay? And if you guys want some more videos on me unboxing my presents, things like that, comment down below. What do you guys want next? What do you guys want me to film? What do you guys want to hear? What do you guys want to know? All right? Thank you guys for watching. Bye.